Hello, welcome to the Genelec stand. I'm Mäkivirta. I'm R&D Director at Genelec, and I would like to tell you today about Smart IP technology platform that we are showing on the show for the first time. The main idea behind this technology platform is essentially to be able to apply the same principle of AV install as that traditionally has been used for installing loudspeakers. And this is to pull a single cable to a loudspeaker. Traditionally we were using passive loudspeakers and analog audio going from a power amplifier into the speaker. In our new technology platform, we are also pulling a single fully standard Ethernet cable to each of the loudspeakers, and that single cable will give you power to run the loudspeaker, audio over IP, and it will also give you all monitoring, control and management of the loudspeaker all on one cable. The motivation behind this technology platform is to enable installers to have a simpler way of installing loudspeakers and really to cut a lot the installation time needed, cut a lot of the complexity of building and planning and designing an installation system. The other side of this technology platform is software for the AV installers. The purpose of the software is to find all the loudspeakers on the network, to configure them as the zones you want to use, and then finally to run the audio over IP streams to the loudspeakers where you want to have them, and to acoustically calibrate individually all the loudspeakers for the room influence. And this will result in a superior audio quality for your install. Thank you very much.